everybody, it's Kika, your lifestyle blogger, and I'm at the cabin again. It's Sunday, and this is the last nice day that we're going to have before we have a cold weather front. So this is what we did. So this side of the cabin is now painted. Still have something to do over in that corner, but I can get that later when we take the awning down. The room is secure, and I'm going to do like a rock design on that brown that you see. My son secured the room so it won't fall over. It's all secure and ready for the roof. We are going to do something different. The paper bag technique did not work, so we're going to instead concrete the inside of the room and the deck. We think that's going to be better for us. We want it rustic anyway. We're here at the cabin. So as you can see, this paper bag technique was an epic failure. Maybe doing it inside the house will work, but doing something like that outside of a cabin, just not working. So anyway, we're going to take the rocking chairs and stuff in, and we're about to head out. But before we head out, we're going to lay down the concrete. So that way when we come back next week to do the stairs and the roof, the concrete will be all dry and ready. So just give you another look at everything and what it's looking like. And then we think when we come back and do the cleanup next week, we'll lay some of the branches and logs underneath because we can use that for firewood. So keep watching. More video footage coming up. So my son is concreting the floor. Gives it a little bit more sturdiness. So we got concreted the room there. As you can see, it's pretty sturdy. So now it's ready for the roof, and then we'll be doing the steps. So we don't have enough concrete, but we got half of it done. So we'll be able to finish the rest. So keep watching. More video footage coming up. Hey everybody, it's Kika, your lifestyle blogger, and I am home painting my doors that's going to go up at the cabin. And I'm very excited tonight because I just got good news that the roof and the stairs are here. So keep watching. More video footage coming up. Okay everybody, so I painted it, as you can see, but the problem is, I'm going to bring the camera closer, I got paint on the glass. So I learned a little trick. All you have to use, get you a rag and some fingernail polish remover. And you can just get this you can use a Dollar Tree fingernail polish remover, it doesn't matter. But I put a little on the rag and I want to show you how great it takes it off. So see this right here? All you got to do is just run that fingernail polish remover right along there. I like it because it's distressed. I just got to get more on the finger, and it comes right off. So now this is what we were going to do. This is our perimeter cabinets all over there. So I'm going to finish doing this, and then I'm going to show you my finished work. No, that's not changing. Hey everybody, it's Kika, your lifestyle blogger. So my next video is going to be the video where we are putting the finishing, finalization touches on the cabin. So you will see the roof go on, you will see the steps being added, and you will see us decorating the beautiful screen breakfast room. So keep watching, more video footage coming up.